When organizing your photos, it's a good idea to clean them with a soft, dry cloth. You should also remove any sticky residue so that your photos don't stick together. If you can't remove the residue from a photo, scan it using the included carrier sheet to avoid damaging the photo or scanner. First, take your photos and organize them into groups that make sense to you, such as events, dates, or subjects. Next, organize your groups of photos by size. You may want to separate out any portrait-oriented photos and scan them separately, or you can rotate the images after you scan them. Once you've organized your photos, load them into the scanner. Face up and top edge first. Then move the edge guides in until they are just touching the sides of the photos. Read the online user's guide or watch the Loading Your Photos video for complete loading instructions. You can use the Scan button on the scanner to start a scan, or open the Epson FastFoto software. Click Start Scanning. The software asks you how you want to organize your photos. For example, you can include the date or subject and a folder name for the scanned photos. The preview text shows what the file name will look like. Check the box to create a folder. When you are ready, click Start Scanning. When scanning is finished, the software prompts you to load more photos and continue scanning, or click Done Scanning. If you continue scanning, the same subject and date will be used for the new photos, and they will be placed in the same folder. When you finish scanning your photos, you will have an organized system of image files and folders. The date and subject are added to each file name, so the files will automatically sort themselves by capture date if you use photo management software like Apple Photos or Google Photos. For more information on using your scanner, watch the other Epson FastFoto videos listed here.